In this lecture, we'll study op-amp comparator circuit. Let's consider non-inverting operational amplifier comparator circuit. Comparator is a device which compares an input voltage with reference voltage. Here we can observe that we have used a op-amp to the positive terminal, that is nothing but non-inverting terminal of op-amp is connected to Vin, that is input voltage, and the inverting terminal is connected to reference voltage. Here we are comparing the input voltage with the reference voltage. So in this circuit, as input voltage is connected to non-inverting terminal, so it is known as non-inverting op-amp comparator circuit. Here the op-amp is open loop circuit, that is feedback is not connected to inverting terminal of the op-amp. It is open, so it is open loop. Now let's see how does it works. Here the input voltage which is to be compared is applied to non-inverting terminal of the op-amp, and the reference voltage will be connected to inverting terminal of the op-amp. Here we have considered the reference voltage as 1 volt. Now look at this waveform here. So in this case we will assume that V reference is equal to positive voltage. Look at this waveform. Here the sine wave signal is the input voltage. Here I have marked reference voltage as equal to 1 volt. I have considered reference voltage as positive voltage, so it is plus 1 volt. So here when the input voltage Vin is less than the reference voltage, when Vin is less than Vref, that is Vin voltage is less than Vref, then the inverting voltage will be greater than non-inverting voltage. In that case, the output voltage is equal to minus V, that is Vo equal to minus Vsat. So when the input voltage becomes greater than Vref, that is when this input voltage is greater than Vref, then non-inverting voltage will be more than the inverting voltage. Then the output voltage is switched from minus Vsat to plus Vsat. Here we can observe from period here to here, that is from this point to this point, the input voltage is greater than Vref. So from here to here it will be constant, that is plus Vsat. When the input voltage again goes below than Vref, again it will switch from plus Vsat to minus Vsat. Here we can observe. Then later during negative half cycle, as we know, the input voltage is 0, Vref is plus 1 volt, therefore the output voltage is set to minus Vsat only until when it reaches the next positive cycle. In next positive cycle, when Vin crosses again Vref, the output voltage is switched from minus Vsat to plus Vsat. Again from here to here, input voltage is greater than Vref, therefore the output voltage will be plus Vsat. So again when input voltage becomes less than Vref, it will switch to plus Vsat to minus Vsat. So thus it compares the input voltage with Vref, and it will switch from minus, output will switch from minus V saturation to plus V saturation. Here plus Vsat is equal to plus Vcc and minus Vsat is equal to minus Vee. So this is the output voltage waveform Vo. Now we'll study this waveform. Suppose the reference voltage, that is Vref, is equal to negative value. That is in this case I have considered the reference voltage as minus 1 volt. Here we can observe, here the reference voltage is minus 1 volt, that is minus 1 volt is applied to inverting terminal of the op-amp, and Vin is applied to as usual non-inverting terminal of the op-amp. Here we can observe the Vin voltage starts from 0. The minimum voltage of Vin is 0. This is the input voltage and this is the output voltage. The minimum voltage of Vin is 0, which is greater than minus 1 volt. Therefore, the output is switch over to plus Vsat, and it will be in plus Vsat until from this period to this period, because from 0 to this till this point the input voltage is greater than Vref, so the output is at plus Vsat. When the input voltage becomes less than minus 1 volt, that is from this period to this period, the input voltage is less than minus 1 volt. In this case, the output voltage is switched from plus Vsat to minus Vsat, and it will be in minus Vsat until it comes to this point. Again, when the input voltage crosses minus 1 volt, in that case input voltage will be greater than minus 1 volt. Again the output will switch from minus Vsat to plus Vsat, and this process will continue. Thus this is the working of comparator circuit. And here the diodes D1 and D2 operate like clamping diodes. As they clamp, the difference input voltage to plus 0.7 or minus 0.7, and here the resistor R limits current through the diode, and resistor R1 is used for offset compensation. Thank you for watching.